Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Mr. Ian Teaches English for a very special episode of How to Speak More American. This is the Super Bowl episode because it is Super Bowl Sunday. Now, Super Bowl Sunday is not exactly a holiday in the United States, but it almost is. Almost everybody watches the game and there are parties and food and it's everything except an official holiday. Now, most of my students, they look at me and say, Mr. Ian, I don't understand American football. To which I say two things. Number one, it's not American football. It's just football. You don't go to Mexico and order Mexican tacos. You just order tacos because you're in Mexico. Same thing here. If you're in the United States, don't call it American football. It's just football. Secondly, yeah, I agree with you. The rules are difficult and complex, so that's why I'm giving you 5 vocabulary words that will make you able to watch and enjoy the Super Bowl tonight. Because again, it is a major cultural experience here in the United States. The first one you need to know is touchdown. Touchdown is the main way that you score points in football, and it is worth 6 points. After you score a touchdown, you can kick the ball for 1 more point, making 6 plus 1, 7 points. And that's why most of the scores in football are divisible by 7. The second vocabulary that you need to know is field goal. And a field goal is when you kick the ball not after a touchdown and you try to make it go through the yellow uprights. This is worth 3 points and is kind of a letdown. It's a disappointment because you want a touchdown every time, but sometimes you have to settle for a field goal. The third one that you need to know, and probably the most important one, is the word down. And in football context, a down is simply a play or a try. In American football, in football, you get 4 downs, 4 tries to go 10 yards. If you go 10 yards, you are rewarded with another 4 tries or 4 downs to try to do it again until you can score a touchdown or a field goal. So after that, the fourth most important term is a penalty. Penalties are a little bit different in football because it doesn't stop the game. You don't hear whistles blow, people don't stop. They throw a yellow flag, and when they throw a yellow flag, the play continues. And the play will continue until it ends. Then the referee will decide what the penalty is and which team it was on, to which you will hear it. On the TV, you'll see a little yellow thing in the corner that says flag, which means after the play, the referees will talk about a flag. And the last one is the word punt. If you are unsuccessful in scoring a field goal or a touchdown, on your 4th down, you might punt the ball. And this simply means to kick the ball in the other direction as far away as possible to make it more difficult for the other team. All right. We've got our 5 vocabulary words. Yes, there are a lot more vocabulary words to completely understand football, and I think it's the greatest game in the world, so I think you should understand football. But at least with these 5 vocabulary words, you can watch the game tonight, and you can experience a little piece of American culture. And if you really want to sound more American, that's how you're going to do it.